Garuda.
Okay.
Is for Chennai.
Chennai.
They are not into fixed wing. They started to.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 130mm M46 and 155mm Soltum will now fire on Hathi Mata. Attention is requested to area Hathi Mata where rounds have just landed. Round on area Hathi Mata. You are witnessing the accurate delivery of fire.
अभी सर नेक्स्ट गन आएंगी अगली न्यू, ठीक है।
अभी इनका हो गया।
हाँ, इसका नहीं, अब नहीं होगा, इनका नहीं होगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the effect. You can now compare the devastating effect with the 155 and 130mm caliber.
The gun systems are manned by a detachment of 8 gunners.
लिखा होगा उस पर।
झंडा तोड़ के
The liability of these is utilized not only during. At the first glance, these two guns may appear to be similar. However, to your right you see a state-of-the-art equipment that boasts an advanced electronic suit integrated with inertial navigation system, self-orientation, fixation and pointing capabilities. If you notice, two gunners are coupling the linkages between the carriage and the trail. This action is important to ensure that the gun is stable during and lowered above the trunnion by means of two hydraulic cylinders. Both the guns have a top traverse of 30 degrees either side, which enables them to cover a large zone.
यहाँ मारेगा सामने
The guns will now function with the help of an auxiliary power unit, which also provides limited self-propulsion when used in conjunction with the gun towing vehicle, providing additional power in challenging terrain. Using the auxiliary power unit, the gun can occupy to get ready to fire on the target by timer on the screen. The top contrast in the time taken. You can now see the use of an orienting instrument called the theodolite with the white skirt onto your left for recording of vocals. However, we would like to highlight that Dhanush does not need any orienting instrument.
Ladies and gentlemen, under the field with 19 regiments to be converted to Dhanush gun system profile. The first regiment has been operationalized and inducted in the northern sector.
दोनों साथ में करेंगे। हाँ, दोनों साथ में होगा। हाँ, ठीक है। हाँ, ठीक है।
If you would notice the timer on the screen, Dhanush gun, due to the state-of-art orientation and fixation capability, was ready within 29 seconds, much before the ammunition. Both the Bofors and Dhanush gun systems have automated loading systems.
One Grad PM21 launcher is firing mode. Please look towards the launcher, which will now fire on area wall. Please take your attention towards area wall where the fire is being saturated by the Grad PM21.
In addition to the Grad BM21, we also have two very potent
To be able to fire the 122mm Grad rocket on the area wall.
The smart rocket system is now entering formula. The world's first attack plan of 150 Infantry Brigade plus 2 battalions as part of Division Phase 2 operation. Brigade Phase 1 capture area Hum and Hatimata by 0500 hours K plus 6. Brigade Phase.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your attention to the screens in front. Fire plant Topki Prahar has been prepared for provision of firepower for the operations of 150 Infantry Brigade. We shall explain the firepower.
Artillery is the binding factor of offensive and defensive operations. The diagrammatic part.
Hotel R is 2000 hours. 150 Infantry Brigade Phase 1 operation of K plus 4 days have commenced. Ladies and gentlemen, fire will now be coming on Phase 1 objective, on Hum platoon and on Hatimata platoon. Please take your attention on the target. Platoon and Hatimata platoon. The fire is being delivered on the objective in a number of fire assaults. While young forward observation officers and battery commanders fight shoulder to shoulder, accurate shooting is done by the artillery gun. Accurate shooting like this gives the
Your attention is requested towards area of wall. Secured by the effective delivery of firepower on the objective.
is the automated loading phase. If you take your attention, and a manual rammer is being used for loading the gun. We would also like to highlight all the mechanisms have redundancies and can be operated manually so that firing does not stop even in case of contingencies. The Bofors and Dulles gun systems will now fire a first round on Bohra 1. Gun is 19 seconds.
आपको जैसे उधर है उड़ के इसमें क्या उड़ के बोले
You will shortly witness the act.
While mediumization was in progress, a need was felt for the air portability of one part of our inventory was a versatile 155 of the 39mm M777 ultralight howitzer, the ULX, School of Artillery.
Fire. We will now show you the punch of an artillery concentration on a target that is nearest to the grandstand to give you all a taste of the thunderous effect which the guns will have on the enemy.
Please take your attention to the front. The guns will now fire at area Harbala. What would be going to deserting him as he finds himself caught in a hailstorm of death or gunners.
हाँ और एक वो
Feel the devastating effect of this concentration by imagining yourself in area Harbala.
God fights on the side with the best artillery, so said Napoleon Bonaparte. We have seen the thunderous effect of guns on the target, showcasing on whose side God fights.
Witness the unmatched might of Indian artillery in all.
Please take your attention in front to Fort Hilltop. You can witness the devastating effect caused by effective delivery of artillery fire on the objective.
नीचे देखो क्या हो रहा है लेफ्ट राइट
देखो राइट
A provision of fire for the capture Old Hill Complex.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we showcase today was the 294 rounds.
On the day the cannon officers met, the
हाँ यही
may now request Major General Sandeep Singh, Authority. Ladies and gentlemen, you all are requested to kindly rise for the national anthem and sing along with us.